Portable carpet cleaners are a practical tool for tackling spills, pet messes, and everyday accidents without committing to a full-size carpet cleaner. They excel for spot cleaning, car interiors, upholstery, and small area refreshes, offering instant access to cleaning solutions and quick dry results.
List number 1. Bissell Little Green Mini Portable Carpet. The Little Green Mini 4075 is Bissell's compact, entry-level portable cleaner, designed for quick spot cleaning and on-the-go use. It weighs about 7 pounds and uses a 16-ounce water tank, with the Hydro Rinse self-cleaning hose tool and a 4-inch tough stain tool included. The model emphasizes portability, storage efficiency, and Bissell's signature cleaning chemistry, including the Little Green formula for odor removal and stain lifting. It's positioned as an approachable solution for cars, upholstery, and small spills, with a per-use cost that remains favorable thanks to compact cartridge-style maintenance and accessible parts. Performance-wise, the Mini 4075 delivers solid suction for its size and benefits from Bissell's proven stain removal chemistry. Its smaller footprint makes it ideal for car interiors, pet beds, and chair crevices, though the trade-off is a modest 16-ounce tank that requires more frequent refills for larger messes. The Hydro Rinse self-cleaning feature is convenient, reducing maintenance, but the tool's 4-inch stain tool may feel limited on high-volume spills. The included 8-ounce Little Green formula helps kick off stain lifting, while the overall lightweight design enhances one-handed operation and storage in tight cabinets. In a car-centric or compact clean scenario, this model shines as a grab-and-go option.
List number 2. The Shark Stain Striker Hair Pro Portable Carpet. The Shark Stain Striker Hair Pro PX251 is a mid to premium portable cleaner notable for its self-cleaning onboard system, 4 included tools, and a dedicated Hair Pro feature designed to handle pet hair without clogs. Weighing around 13.1 pounds, it is still relatively portable for a unit with 24.35-ounce capacity and a multi-tool kit, including pet mess and hair-specific attachments. It leverages Shark's dual-activated cleaning chemistry and claims up to 20x more stain-striking power with no pre-treat required, targeting pet messes, odors, and embedded grime. In use, the Stain Striker Hair Pro demonstrates strong suction and effective odor control, making it well-suited for homes with pets, cars, and high-traffic areas. The onboard self-cleaning feature is a standout for maintenance, reducing cross-contamination between messes. The inclusion of multiple tools, including a 3.5-inch stain eliminator, 6-ounce Deep Clean Pet formula, and a 12-ounce Oxy Multiplier formula, supports a broad set of scenarios. However, the unit's larger size and weight, around 13 pounds, may affect one-handed maneuverability and storage space relative to lighter models. Power adapter usage and longer hose length can influence reach in vehicles and upholstery.
List number 3. Shark Stain Striker Portable Carpet Upholstery. This PX202 brown variant expands on the Stain Striker lineup with an XL tool and full-size cleaning solutions, offering a more expansive kit for households with bigger stain challenges. It shares the same core technologies as the PX251, including dual-activated formula, strong suction, and odor control. The 2-liter capacity, approx 64 ounces, is a notable upgrade in clean water storage, designed to reduce refill frequency during extended sessions. The kit includes a 7-inch XL stain eliminator in addition to standard tools, broadening reach for larger surfaces. In practice, the PX202 Brown's larger water reservoir and extra-long tools enable more efficient cleaning of larger area rugs and car interiors without frequent interruptions. The included 32-ounce Oxy Multiplier and 16-ounce Deep Clean Pro formula provide robust cleaning power and odor control, which is valuable for households with pets or strong stains. The balance between power and portability remains solid, but the expanded toolset and capacity contribute to a slightly larger footprint and weight than the base Stain Striker. Users who frequently tackle sizable messes will appreciate the extended runtime.
List number 4. Bissell Little Green Max Pet Portable Carpet.
The Little Green Max Pet 3860 is Bissell's higher power upgrade in the Little Green line, featuring superior suction, claimed 30% more powerful than the competition, and a dual tank design to keep dirty and clean water separate. It ships with a self-cleaning tough stain tool, a specialized pet hair removal tool, and a triple-action Pet Pro Oxy formula with urine eliminator and stain protect technology. The larger form factor, 8.18 pounds, still maintains portability, and the longer hose quart setup improves reach for bigger messes and hard-to-clean upholstery. Real-world use shows strong, persistent stain removal and effective pet mess handling, particularly when paired with the Pet Pro formula. The two-tank system streamlines operation, reducing cross-contamination during multi-spot sessions, while the self-cleaning tool minimizes maintenance. The trade-offs include a heavier package than the mini line and a higher price point, but the performance uplift and included specialized tools justify it for households with frequent tough stains on furniture and vehicle interiors.
List number 5. Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet. The 1400B is Bissell's long-standing, widely adopted portable model with a large 48-ounce clean water tank and broad compatibility for a variety of messes. It emphasizes versatility with exclusive specialty tools and a robust 4-stroke approach: spray, scrub, suction, and odor control. Its consumer base relies on its proven track record, broad tool set, and the inclusion of hydro-rinse components for easy maintenance. While not the newest model, its large tank capacity and proven reliability keep it competitive in this segment. In use, the 1400B delivers strong, consistent performance across carpet, upholstery, and car interiors, especially when paired with Bissell's triple-action formulas. The large 3-pound capacity and 48-ounce tank enable longer sessions before refills, while the Hydro-Rinse self-cleaning tool helps simplify post-cleaning maintenance. A potential drawback is that this model lacks some of the newer self-cleaning tool refinements found in the Max line, and its bulkier form can be less convenient for ultra-tight spaces.